Good evening everyone, this is Manpreet from Career Talks. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to answer your all queries regarding German studies, regarding German PR, regarding German jobs. So one by one, please write your queries in a comment box. So I'm here to answer your all queries. Hello everyone. Hi Pramesh. Hi Manpreet. Hi Indu. Hi Pranjal. Hi Ravi. Neha. Sahil. Hello everyone. Hi. Please write your queries one by one so that I am able to answer your all queries. I'm trying my best to answer so that I clear all doubts. You are interested for MDS. Okay, yeah. If you plan for MDS program, then first of all your BDS is completed, I guess, right? Then there is a need of some license exams in Germany. Like there's a first of all there's a need of German language A1, A2, B1, and after then deficit decide. After reaching Germany, FSP temporary license. Then for permanent license there's a need of KP exam. After that your residency period will be started. For more detailed discussion, join a Zoom session. I want to communicate with you. I want to know your all queries. According to that, I clear all doubts. For Zoom session link, please DM me through Insta or through WhatsApp, whatever you want. Okay, I'm diploma holder after 10. Still, I need to do 13 years of education. Yes. Like you done diploma, then 10 plus 3 years of diploma according to 13 year education completed, but German education system not accepted diploma. So to fulfill your 13 year education system, there is a need of 13 year education system, like which is called student colleague, which is called English preparatory program, 10 months foundation course. So there is a need to fulfill that 13 year education. Diploma is not the proper certificate which skip your student colleague program. Sorry. Is material engineering courses available in Germany, and what is necessary to provide in this course? Yeah, of course, material engineering is possible. And like if we say that if we talk about engineering, Germany is the topmost country. So all streams are possible in Germany, and there is a main requirement of German language. And also, if you plan for a bachelor, there is a requirement of 13 year education. So with the help of German language and after 13 year preparatory program, you are eligible to study your desired course in English language also in public universities. Ma'am, if I am going in English taught in student league is mandatory. For bachelors, yes, dear, student league is mandatory. For masters, there is no need. Already your bachelors fulfilled all criteria. So for bachelors, yes, student league is like as a term which complete your 13 year education. So you can say that student league, preparatory program, foundation course, but yes, it's mandatory either you plan for English taught or for bachelor's taught. But for private universities, you can say nothing, nobody knows that what is student league, but for public, yes, it is mandatory now. Sometimes I meet with the students who are studying in private universities, and they are saying that we don't know what is student league, ma'am. So for public university, this term is mandatory. I recently passed my 12th with 55% in 2020, okay, and I am able to do bachelor's in Germany. What is the process? Yes. If you are 12th with 55%, yes, you are eligible to do bachelor's in German. Public universities also in German taught program. For this, yes, there is a need of German language, and also there is a need of student league program. And according to 55, I guess English taught student league not possible for you. But if you are seriously interested, then share your all documents to us so that we forward your documents to our German team. After the analyzation, if your file is eligible for English taught, in that case maybe they take any assessment exam. After that, if there any green signal, then you are eligible for English preparatory program also, and then you are eligible for English taught bachelor's from public universities according to desired course possible. But if like your percentage is low, then if English taught not possible for you, then German taught is 100% granted possible for you. That means according to 55%, you are eligible for German taught public universities. You are eligible for public universities bachelor's in German taught. Your desired course is in German language. Ma'am, now I am eligible to go German in English taught in September intake. Yes, July 15 is the deadline for bachelor's and for master's both. If you guys seriously plan for September intake English taught, then July 15 is the deadline. So try to enroll as soon as possible. After July 15, you are going to eligible. After July 15, you are eligible for next March intake. You missed the September intake. Hi Piyush. Do we have education loan facilities since there is financial problem? Yes, of course. We always guide students for loan options also. We have our loan options for you. For all detailed discussions, please coordinate with us. Just write down my number, then I can share you the number of my loan department, and you directly coordinate with them that your file is eligible for loan or not. Just write down my number 836-8027-663. Any more queries? I'm waiting for more queries. No more queries? Okay. Is microbiology courses available in medical course in Germany? Yes, microbiology course is possible. If you want to study microbiology courses, then this courses are possible in German taught bachelor's. But yes, student colleague, like preparatory course is possible in English language. After clearing this English preparatory program, you are eligible for German taught microbiology. Some medical courses are possible only in German language. But yeah, W course and T course. W course means any fashion designing and hotel management, commerce, business related courses. T course means any engineering and technical courses. These courses are possible in English language, but for M course like medical courses, some courses are possible only in German language. Like medicine, like MBBS possible only in German language. After English taught preparatory program, also German taught MBBS is possible. Like the same way microbiology bachelor's only possible in German language. Ma'am, any scholarship in private universities? If your file is eligible for public, then why are you looking for private? And yes, your file is eligible for scholarships also, but it all depends on your percentage. If your percentage is good, then yes, scholarship is possible. I said that. Ma'am, is there any option for PhD? There are lots of options for PhD, but sorry, we have no option for PhD. For PhD, there is a need of direct professors link who help you for PhD admissions. For this, we always suggest students go for a double masters. After doing enter Germany, when you are doing master, then you are eligible. Then that PhD professor shortlist for PhD admissions there. In medical, how much percentage is required in 12th? If you want to study MBBS in Germany, then 12% is good if it scored more than 80%. Then plan MBBS from Germany. Otherwise, if your percentage is less than 80%, it's very tough to enter in German public universities for MBBS course. Actually, it's very tough to crack all the exams. So that's why I always suggest if your percentage more than 80%, then only go for a German MBBS. Otherwise, it's very challenging part. So if I want to do tourism, is this course available in German? Yes. This course is easily possible, but in German not. Tourism course is possible. Yeah, tourism course is possible in English language also. If you are looking for a bachelor's tourism course, management after English preparatory program, then this course is also possible in English language in public universities. Yes. Can we do avoid external FSP? External FSP, like if you study this English preparatory program, then there is an internal FSP, and this FSP is recognized, accepted in all German public universities. So you can easily avoid this external FSP. Which exam given to get medical license? Like FSP, Fachsprachprüfung for temporary license, and KP, Kenntnisprüfung for permanent license. And after getting temporary license, you have 2 years of the time to do job on a temporary license, and in between these 2 years, it's mandatory to give the KP exam, Kenntnisprüfung, so that you get a permanent license. After that permanent license, you are allowed to do work in German all government hospitals according to your specialization. Which course needs IELTS? For Germany, there is no need of IELTS, but if you want to enter in Germany for English taught programs like for bachelor's and for master's, then IELTS is mandatory. 6.5 band or sometimes 6 band work. So if you plan for an English taught master's or bachelor, then IELTS is mandatory. I guess I clear all your queries. Still you have any more queries? Write them fast. Hi Kriti. Thanks, you give a lots of information. Thank you, dear. What is veterinary medicine course in Germany? It's like specializations. If you want to do this course, then according to this you are eligible to enter for these medicine courses. All streams are possible in Germany. Our internship paid in Germany, how much? Internship, like 1,20,000 you easily earn from during the internship. It's a paid internships. So we also assist students for internship also. If you enter in Germany for bachelor's and master's, last semester is a paid internship, and we always assist students for internships. And yes, we easily earning 1,20,000 during your paid internships. Hi ma'am, hello dear. What is the deadline for what? For September intake, English preparatory program deadline is 15 July. For March intake, German taught program deadline is 15 July. For every intake, deadline is 15 July. For September intake, English preparatory, like English student click, deadline is 15 July. For March intake, German taught program, deadline is 15 July. Like which course? I want to know your qualification. Which course you want to do from Germany? If you are planning for bachelor's, then there is a need of 13-year education, which is called Student Colleague. And if you want to start this English preparatory Student Colleague program, then there is the program going to start in September and deadline is 15 July. And if you want to enter it for a March intake German taught masters, then also deadline 15 July, because it needs to complete 5 levels of German language, so countdown already begins. If you want to communicate with me one-to-one session, then around 5 p.m. I am live at Zoom, and join a Zoom session and communicate with me. I want to know your proper qualification. According to that, I clarify your all doubts, how you are eligible for German studies. Share your contact number. My contact details are 836-8027-663. Hi Gautam. Is there leverage time for admission in pandemic? Nothing like that. If you want to study, then online studies are possible, so there is no need to be worried that this COVID visa dates are not possible, or like university application is not possible. Nothing like that. Everything is possible online. So for more detailed discussions, try to join Zoom session. In Zoom session, I clear your all doubts that you are eligible for which intake, and all studies are possible in life. If you are eligible for German taught, then language classes started online. If you are eligible for preparatory program, then English preparatory program also possible online. Batch starts from September. New batch starts from September. On Friday. On Friday, what dear? You are writing very short points, Kriti. I am not properly clear what you want to know exactly. I am saying that if you want to discuss with me for one-to-one session, how? Actually, daily, Monday to Saturday, we are live on Instagram around 4 p.m. in which students do the comment and I am here to answer the all queries. And around 5 p.m. I am daily live on a Zoom session through which students communicate with me and discuss their all profiles. So if you want to communicate with me through Zoom meeting, then DM me through Instagram or WhatsApp if you have my number. Then I share you the Zoom session link. Then you can join that link and discuss your profile. Yeah, hi Sam. Ma'am, can I do bachelor's in English? Yes, we are. Of course, you are possible for bachelor's in English. For bachelor's English, there is a need for English preparatory program, which is called English Student Click program. If you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, anywhere, then I already updated the all process in detail how you guys are eligible for English taught preparatory program. And if you seriously want to do in German public universities your bachelor in English language, then there is a need of English preparatory program, and this course is going to be start in this September, and deadline of this registration is 15 July. Countdown begins, so please hurry up, register fast. How do, okay, I missed the queries. How to validate our degree with German system? Just share your documents with us. We can check that you are eligible for German studies or not. If your percentage more than 50, then yes, you are eligible for German system. And if you want to check your degree, your university, then check that degree, your university name through NMN software. And if you want to check your percentage grades, then if your percentage is more than 50, then yes, you are eligible for German public universities. Hi, Dr. Riazuddin. Okay, Kriti. Okay, thank you so much. So I guess I answer all queries. If you guys have any more queries, then after half an hour I'm live on Zoom session. Join my Zoom session, and in this session we communicate with each student one by one. So if you are interested for Zoom session, then DM me on Instagram or WhatsApp. I share you the Zoom session link. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.